Sony BRAVIA 2 4K HDR Smart TV. Main features are Sony BRAVIA 2 III 4K HDR Smart TV is the foundational entry-level model in Sony's modern television lineup. Functioning as the most budget-friendly 4K display in the family, it is designed for casual viewers, everyday streaming, and secondary rooms, like bedrooms or kitchens, where premium cinematic features like local dimming or 120 Hz refresh rates are not required. Display technology: LCD with direct LED. Backlighting: native resolution 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Native panel Bore. Processor: Sony 4K processor X1 4K X Reality Pro. HDR compliance: HDR10, HLG, and IMAX Enhanced. Audio configuration: 20W 2.0 channel speakers with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X pass-through. Smart interface: Google TV. OS: Advanced Upscaling Engine, powered by 4K X Reality Pro processing. Analyzes lower resolution content like standard 1080p cable or older HD YouTube videos in real time to sharpen textures, smooth out low-quality noise, and upscale closer to native 4K quality. Immersive surround pass-through. While natively sporting standard 20-watt stereo speakers, the TV fully supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X processing. It cleanly passes multi-channel cinema audio formats directly to an external surround sound system or compatible Sony BRAVIA theater soundbars via HDMI eARC. Features a built-in Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM. When a PlayStation 5 or Xbox console is detected, the TV automatically switches to its lowest latency response setting to ensure a responsive 60 FPS gaming experience. Note that it does not feature HDMI 2.1 or 120 Hz capabilities. Google TV Smart Ecosystem consolidates global and regional streaming applications right into a single layout using the Google TV platform. Integrates hands-free smart assistant navigation and allows screencasting from mobile devices through native Google Cast and Apple AirPlay 2. Available in 5 sizes, as 43-inch K43S20 M2, 50-inch K50S20 M2, 55-inch K55S20 M2, K55S21 DM2, 65-inch K65S20 M2, K65S21 DM2, 75-inch K75S20 M2, K75S21 DM2.